Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, let us solve exercise 6.1 question number 1. In figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. So line AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is 70 degree and angle BOD is 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So solution. So lines AB and CD intersect at O. Line AB and CD intersect at O. So angle BOD is equal to angle AOC. So angle BOD is equal to angle AOC. And it is given that angle BOD is 40 degree. So angle AOC is also 40 degree. So angle A, and it is given that angle AOC. So here you have to write vertically opposite. Then angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. So this is given. So here AOC is 40 degree. So this implies angle BOE is equal to 70 degree minus 40 degree is equal to 30 degree. So find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So BOE. So BOE we got this is 30 degree and this is 40 degree. This is also 40 degree. Then what is angle COE? So we know angle AOC as AB is a line. So angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOB is equal to 180 degree. So angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. Angles on a line. So this implies we know what is angle AOC. Angle AOC is 40 degree plus angle COE plus angle BOE is 30 degree. So is equal to 180 degree. So this implies angle COE is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. That is equal to 110 degree. But the question is asked to find the reflex angle COE. So reflex angle COE is equal to 360 minus 110. So that is equal to 250 degree. So the question is angle BOE. So this is angle BOE 30 degree and reflex angle COE is 250 degree. So in this way you can apply the linear pair formula and vertically opposite angles are equal. Let us solve question number 2. In figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. Intersect at O. So this is C. So intersect at O. If angle POY is 90 degree and angle A is to B, that means the ratio between angle A and B is 2:3. So find C. So it is given that, so solution. So first you write the given parts. So XY and MN, so these are lines, intersect at O. So angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2:3. So these are given. So let A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. So let A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. So we know angle POX. So this is angle C. It is given POX is equal to 180 degree minus angle POY. That is equal to 90 degree. Because angle POY is 90 degree. So we know angle POX is equal to 90 degree. So this implies angle POX is equal to A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So this implies 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree. So this implies 5x is equal to 90 degree or x is equal to 18 degree. So we got x is equal to 18 degree. But what is our A? A is equal to 2x. That is 2 into 18. That is 36 degree. And B is equal to 3x. That is 3 into 18. That is 54 degree. So as it is given that XY and MN are two lines intersect at O. So two vertically opposite angles are there. So angle C is vertically opposite with MOY. So angle C, angle MOY is equal to angle C. That is vertically opposite angle. So this implies C is equal to angle MOY is equal to A plus angle POY. So this implies C is equal to angle A is 36 degree. So 36 degree plus 90 degree. That is equal to 126 degree. So we got that is angle C is 126 degree. Next question, in figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. So solution. So it is given that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So what is angle PQS? So angle PQS is equal to 180 degree minus angle PQR. As we know, angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. So this is due to linear pair. So this implies angle PQS is equal to 180 degree minus angle PQR. But angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So this is equal to 180 degree minus angle PRQ. But 180 degree minus PRQ is equal to angle PRT. So this is equal to angle PRT. So here in the left hand side, angle PQS is there. So this is due to linear pair. So here we proved angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. So next question, question number 4. In the figure, x plus y is equal to y plus z. X plus y is equal to w plus z. Then prove that AOB is a line. So it is given that x plus y is equal to w plus z. So from the figure it is observed that, so from figure x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360 degree. So this is a complete angle. So this implies x plus y is equal to w plus z is equal to 180 degree. So if x plus y is equal to 180 degree, then OC ray stands on a line. So this implies AOB is a line. AOB is a line. Or if W plus Z is 180 degree, so this implies also AOB is a line. So in this way you can apply the axiom 1. If a ray stands on a line, the adjacent angles so formed, their sum is 180 degree. So next question, in figure POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. So prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS. QOS minus POS. So solution. So it is given that angle POQ is equal to 90 degree. Angle ROQ. Angle ROQ is equal to 90 degree. So this implies angle POR is also 90 degree because they are linear pair. So what is angle ROS? Angle ROS is equal to 90 degree minus angle POS. Let this is our equation 1. So angle ROS is equal to angle POR or ROP minus angle POS. So angle ROP is 90 degree. So angle ROS is equal to 90 degree minus angle POS. Again we can represent angle ROS from this side. So angle ROS is equal to angle SOQ. SOQ minus angle ROQ. Or this is equal to angle SOQ minus 90 degree. So here angle ROS is equal to angle SOQ minus 90 degree. So let this is equation 2. So adding equation 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, we got angle ROS plus angle ROS is equal to, so in the left hand side of equation 1 angle ROS and here also angle ROS is equal to angle SO is equal to 90 degree minus angle POS plus angle SOQ minus 90 degree. So this implies 2 of angle ROS is equal to angle SOQ minus angle POS. So or this implies angle ROS is equal to half of angle SOQ minus angle POS. So this is proved. So in this way we can prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So let us discuss question number 6. It is given that angle XYZ is 64 and XY is produced to point P. So XYZ is 64 and XY is produced to P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisect angle ZYP, so that means these two angles are equal. Then find XYQ and reflex angle QYP. So it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and YQ bisect angle ZYP. So from this given information we have to find XYQ and reflex angle QYP. So XYQ. To find XYQ, we need ZYQ. So what is angle PYZ? Angle PYZ plus angle XYZ is equal to 180 degree. Yes, they are linear pair. So this implies angle PYZ is equal to 180 degree minus XYZ is given, that is 64 degree. So this is equal to 116 degree. So if angle PYZ is 116 degree, then what is angle QYZ is equal to half of angle PYZ. This is equal to 116 by 2. So this is equal to 58 degree. So angle QYZ is, this is 58 degree and this is also 58 degree. So what is angle XYQ? XYQ. So this is equal to XYZ plus ZYQ. So this is equal to 64 degree plus 58 degree. 122 degree. So then angle QYP, reflex angle QYP. So what is angle QYP? So QYP is equal to 58 degree. So reflex QYP is equal to 360 minus 58. So that is 302 degree. So this is reflex angle QYP. So this is 302 degree. So in this way, by applying the vertically opposite angles formula and the axiom based on the linear pair, we can solve different types of questions.